Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. Gao, Edu, and Tech participated in a 3-player, multi-round competition. In each round, they got the points according to their rankings within the round. The first gets S1 points, more than S2 points that the second gets, and more than S3 points that the third gets. S1, S2 and S3 are all bigger than 0, and are all integers. It is known that Edu won the first place in the second round. The final scores are listed in the following. Gao got a total of 20 points, Edu got a total of 10 points, and Tech got a total of 9 points. So, what are S1, S2 and S3 equal to? Why not give a try, and we will come back soon. Let's first determine how many rounds there were in this competition. We set the total points of the 3 people in each round as SR, which is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3. There are n rounds in the competition, then SR multiplied by n is equal to the total points scored by all the 3 people. 20 plus 10 plus 9 equals 39. There are only 2 possibilities to write 39 as the product of 2 positive integers, either 1 times 39, or 3 times 13. S1, S2 and S3 are different positive integers, so their summation must be bigger than 3. Then SR can only be 39, or 13. Edu won the second round, which means that n cannot be smaller than 2. So SR can only be 13. N is 3. Everyone's final points are the summation of their points obtained in these 3 rounds of competition. And it is certain that Edu has at least one S1. According to the points obtained by the 3 people, we can also obtain the following 2 conclusions. First, Gao has more points than the summation of Edu and Tech have. Second, Gao's score is twice as many as that of Edu. It is easy for us to guess that Gao may likely get as many points as possible, that is, 2 S1 and 1 S2. But is this the only possibility? We need to prove it. There are 2 situations where Gao has slightly fewer points than 2 S1 plus 1 S2. One is to replace S2 with S3. But Edu has at least another 2 S3. Multiplied by 2, the result is 2 S1 plus 4 S3, it must be more than the points Gao has then, so this situation is impossible. The second is to replace one of the S1 with S2. Then there is 1 S1 and 1 S2 left. No matter whether they are allocated to Edu or Tech, they will add up to more points than Gao has, so it is also impossible. So Gao indeed got 2 S1 and 1 S2. Edu's points are half of Gao's, which is equal to 1 S1 and half S2, so he cannot have any other S2, but only 2 S3. And Tech got the remaining 2 S2 and 1 S3. Therefore we got several equations about S1, S2 and S3. It is too easy to solve them. According to the last 2 equations, we know that S1 is bigger than S2 by 4. And if we put it into the first equation, we can get that S1 is equal to 8, S2 is equal to 4, then S3 is equal to 1. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.